So I decided to make a two-part of pernil. This is a staple in Puerto Rico. This came out blazing. Let's go.
She let that thing go. Ooh yeah. Yeah, drop it low to the floor, to the floor. She approach, like she poppin', let it go.
So first things first, get your Puerto Rican gear on. We're gonna break apart this head of garlic, de-skin, and voila. And we're gonna dice up, and then dice again, and then dice some more, and then choppity chop, and it's gonna be minced garlic. And we're gonna put this into a bowl. This is gonna be part of our rub. This is gonna be the basis. You need a lot of garlic. Gonna add me 1 packet of sazon with achote. And then my seasonings was salt, pepper, and adobo. And a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna mix this all together. I didn't really measure the salt and the pepper or the adobo. You really can just salt and pepper and adobo flavor to taste. Then we're gonna get my pork shoulder. This one was about 8.5 pounds. I de-skin it. Try to separate the skin from the meat as best you can. It's gonna be real crispy when I'm finished. Okay, stop. And once you have this done, you need to stab away. Stab away. Stab, stab, stab away. This is gonna be your flavor pockets. This is where you're gonna put that rub that we just made. So as you're putting this in here, remember to stuff as much as possible. Stuff it, stuff. Cheers! Yep, that got away from me. Anyway, with anything extra that you didn't put into the little pockets, you want to rub all over the rest of the meat and the skin. Now, later on, you're going to do a dry rub with just adobo, but for now, this is going to be wrapped in saran wrap and then also in aluminum foil. I like to store this away for at least a day. And then we're going to stick this in the fridge. This is part 1. Get ready for part 2.
Ooh yeah.